Here's how to force restart your Android phone. Now, if your Android phone is unresponsive or there are any other issues with it, you can always force restart it. You can do this the same way on a Samsung, Google Pixel, any Android. Essentially what we're going to do is use the volume down and the side button. So navigate to the volume down. That's the volume up, and there's the volume down. And that's the side or power button. We're going to press both of these at the exact same time until the screen goes completely black and then you see the logo as if it's restarting. So I'm going to press and hold these at the same time. I'll show you how to do it. You need to be quick to press them at the same time. Keep in mind, don't do anything, even though it says power off or restart. Just keep holding the volume down and side button until it goes completely black, and keep holding until you see the logo appear. In my case, I have a Samsung Galaxy, so I'll hold it until I see that Samsung logo appear, and then I can remove my fingers and it will go through the process of doing that forced restart, fixing a lot of bugs and issues.